guys, today I'm gonna show you an amazing recipe with quinoa. It's actually a Mexican-inspired quinoa pan full of fiber, proteins, and even antioxidants, so it's perfect for a plant-based diet. Check it out. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet. Add the garlic and cook it for about 1 minute. Stir in the quinoa, vegetable broth, beans, tomatoes, corn, chili sauce, and the cumin. Bring everything to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer until the quinoa is cooked through for about 20 minutes. Stir in the avocado, lime juice, and cilantro. Enjoy!